iPad activation lock. Did you buy a used iPad and later realize it's still linked to someone else's Apple ID? Or maybe this is your own device, but you no longer remember your Apple ID details. In both cases, seeing the Lock to Owner message can make the iPad feel completely unusable, but there are legitimate options available. Hello everyone, welcome back to the IBF Tools YouTube channel. Activation lock is a security feature designed by Apple to protect devices if they are lost or erased. If the iPad is still connected to an Apple ID, the system requires verification before it can be activated again. Until the required verification is completed, the iPad can't be set up normally. In today's video, I'll explain what the Lock to Owner message really means and walk you through the practical steps you can take to regain access to your device. Let's get started. Before we continue, a quick note. This video is intended only for users who legally own their device and are trying to recover access after forgetting their Apple ID details or purchasing a second-hand device. We do not support or encourage unauthorized access to lost or stolen devices. This content is educational and follows YouTube's policies. Solution 1. Unlock using the screen passcode. If you remember the previous screen passcode used on the iPad, you may be able to unlock it directly. On the activation screen, tap Unlock with Passcode. Enter the device's previous passcode. If verified successfully, the iPad will activate. Keep in mind the device will open as a fresh setup. Previous data will not return. Solution 2. Find your Apple ID password on the device. If this is your own iPad and you still have access to another Apple device linked to the same Apple ID, you may be able to recover your credentials directly. Go to Passwords app. Search for Apple ID or appleid.apple.com. In some cases, saved login details may be available there. Once you recover the correct Apple ID and password, return to the locked iPad and complete activation normally. This method works only if the credentials were previously saved on a trusted device. Solution 3. Remove the iPad from the previous owner's iCloud. If the device belongs to someone else and you can contact them, ask them to sign in at iCloud.com. Open Find Devices, select the iPad, choose Remove from Account. After this, restart the iPad and complete setup without the lock. Solution 4. Reset your Apple ID password, official method. If you forgot your Apple ID password, visit Apple's official recovery page, iforgot.apple.com. Follow the verification steps using your email and phone number. Once the password is reset, you can activate the device normally. Solution 5. Contact Apple support. If nothing else works, Apple support may assist after verifying ownership. Prepare proof of purchase, a document showing the device serial number, visit support.apple.com, or use the Apple Support app to submit a request. Solution 6. Temporary Limited Access DNS method. This method allows temporary and limited access to certain features on an iPad that is stuck on the Lock to Owner screen. It does not remove activation lock and should be considered only as a temporary workaround. Restart your iPad, proceed to the Wi-Fi selection screen. Tap the I information icon, scroll down to DNS settings, tap Configure DNS Select Manual. Remove any existing DNS addresses, enter a DNS server based on region. You may use a public DNS option commonly shared online for this purpose. Go back and connect to Wi-Fi after saving the DNS settings. Connect to the network. Wait for the DNS menu to load. Instead of the activation lock screen, a DNS-based menu may appear. With DNS-based limited access, you may be able to open a web browser, watch videos, use basic apps. Keep in mind, for full and permanent access, Apple requires the correct Apple ID and password official account recovery or verified ownership through Apple support. DNS is not a replacement for those solutions. Solution 7. Using IBF Tool. Here is the most interesting part of this video. IBF Tool belongs to a category of device management and recovery utilities designed to assist users who are stuck during the iPad setup or recovery process after a reset. This option is intended for legitimate device owners who are unable to complete setup due to Apple ID access issues and are looking for a structured, guided way to restore usability. Download and install the tool on a Windows or Mac OS system. Use a USB cable to connect the iPad to the computer. Follow the on-screen steps provided by the tool to assist with setup or recovery. After completion, you may proceed with the iPad setup and sign in using your own Apple ID. Those are the main options available when dealing with iPad lock to owner. If this video helped you, hit the like button and let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. And if you need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.